Alright, man, let me let y'all know something. Y'all ain't never heard me rap, but I'm finna go off for a little second, man. You know what I'm saying? Right off the top of my man. Man, shout out to Julius and shout out to Kenyatta. Alright, let me go hard. Man, you never heard me rap, but I'm finna shut this shit down. You never heard me rap, you better give up your fucking crown. Man, I go hard in this thing like a motherfucking paint job, you heard me? I go hard in this thing like your motherfucking paint job, you heard me? Yeah, I repeat this shit more than once, more than twice, cause y'all bitches can't hear me cause you motherfucking light. Man, lightheaded off this motherfucking fuck ass weed. Lightheaded all this motherfucking fuck ass green. Man, I got this money, man, I got some for your ass. I got this money, man, I got some for your past. Your shit ain't right, your shit ain't gold, man, your shit ain't silver, your shit ain't old. Man, I go hard in this paint job, man, you heard me? Like I said, man, I got the money stacked up to the ceilings. No ceilings, Lil Wayne, man, you motherfucking hear me? Man, my head go to spinning round and round and round and round. Man, my head go spin it round and round till it go down. Man, like I said, give up your motherfucking crown.